Hello, my name is Kenji. Survival Japanese that can be used in various situations. Japanese family restaurants have a wide variety of menus and are very popular with families. You can eat menus that use seasonal ingredients, such as limited time items. Please refrain from using your cell phone while eating and enjoying conversation. If you have children, please make sure they are not noisy and do not disturb other customers. There are some manners to follow even at family restaurants, so please follow them to have a pleasant meal. The YouTube channel Hello Japanese introduces fun ways to learn Japanese that you can use in everyday conversation. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos.
いらっしゃいませ。何名様ですか？
Welcome. How many people in your party?
いらっしゃいませ。何名様ですか？
Welcome. How many people in your party?
何名様。
How many people?
こちらの席でよろしいですか？
Is this seat okay?
こちらの席でよろしいですか？
Is this seat okay?
こちらの席。
This seat.
もう少し広い席はありますか？
Do you have any larger seats?
もう少し広い席はありますか？
Do you have any larger seats?
広い席。
Larger seats.
ご注文はお決まりですか？
Are you ready to order?
ご注文はお決まりですか？
Are you ready to order?
お決まり。
Ready to.
まだ決まっていません。もう少し時間をいただけますか？
I haven't decided yet. Can I have a little more time?
まだ決まっていません。もう少し時間をいただけますか？
I haven't decided yet. Can I have a little more time?
もう少し時間。
A little more time.
お水をいただけますか？
May I have some water?
お水をいただけますか？
May I have some water?
お水。
Water.
子供用の椅子はありますか？
Do you have chairs for children?
子供用の椅子はありますか？
Do you have chairs for children?
子供用。
For children.
アレルギーがあるので卵を抜いてください。
I have an allergy, so please leave out the eggs.
アレルギーがあるので卵を抜いてください。
I have an allergy, so please leave out the eggs.
卵を抜いて。
Leave out the eggs.
デザートは食後にお願いします。
I would like to have dessert after the meal.
デザートは食後にお願いします。
I would like to have dessert after the meal.
食後。
After the meal.
別々に会計できますか？
Can I pay separately?
別々に会計できますか？
Can I pay separately?
別々に。
Separately.
ポイントをご利用になりますか？
Would you like to use points?
ポイントをご利用になりますか？
Would you like to use points?
ご利用。
To use.